Hello everyone. I hope you are fine and have a good day. Welcome to Scholarship Hive. Any one of you planning to do a fully funded internship in USA? We are here to discuss an internship opportunity from the USA. It is RIPS fully funded summer internship USA. The RIPS summer internship USA 2021 is open now. This internship is completely funded and its total duration is only 9 weeks. Let's discuss about its brief details. Its location, USA, it is fully funded. Its duration is 9 weeks. And the last date to apply for this internship program is 12th of February 2021. If you want to join WhatsApp group of Scholarship Hive, you can easily do it by clicking on this link. Let's talk about the fields available. Numerical computation, technology, statistics, data and computing, computer science, mathematics, data analysis, and science. You can apply in these fields for this internship program. Now moving ahead to the eligibility criteria. You have to fulfill the following eligibility criteria before starting the online application form of the RIPS Summer Internship Program. International students from all over the world can apply for this internship program. Students having a bachelor's degree can apply. Students doing an undergraduate degree can also apply. The applicant should be at least 18 years of age. Let's talk about some amazing benefits. RIPS Summer Internship Program will cover air travel tickets for both sides, monthly stipend, free meals, free housing, and you will also visit some places during your internship period. Next are the required documents. Academic records, it means your transcripts, etc. CV or a resume and letter of references. How to apply for this internship? Firstly, you will review all the program details and then you click on apply on the official website of this internship, and then you will log in using your authentic email address. You will choose your own password and you will take a check box on your first login. After login, you will fill a standard cover sheet. Make sure to enter your 2 reference writers, but do not check the email notify writer on submit box. You will click on submit and then the system will redirect you to the RIPS application form. You will fill the RIPS application form. For the US visa status question, select your country of citizenship. Also, make sure to check the box of the programs you would like to be considered for Los Angeles, Singapore, or both. Here, one thing you must remember that international students are only eligible for RIPS LA. Only permanent residents of Singapore and US citizens can apply for RIPS Singapore. Upload your resume or CV, transcripts, which can be unofficial, and select 2 reference writers for this program. Make sure to check the boxes next to your reference writers' names and then click on the green arrow to send them an email request for a tailored reference letter. Actually, the system will email the reference letter requests to your referees. Your reference writers won't receive any letter requests unless you click on the green arrow and the status next to the referees' names changes to email sent. Once you complete the application form and upload the required documents, you will click on apply. Your submission is successful only if you see "Thank you for submitting your application" screen right after submitting the form that states your application is complete and all the required items have been submitted. You can check your status page to see any status updates and to see if your application is complete or to update it. No application or reference letters will be accepted after the deadline, which is 12th of February 2021. RIPS is a program for students who are enrolled in or have just completed an undergraduate or bachelor's degree. Recent graduates who have received their degree no earlier than December 2020 may apply for this internship. Now I'm moving ahead to the official website of this internship. The official website link is here. Go to this link. The following page will open in front of you. You can read the official website as well for thorough understanding. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it so you can get scholarships, fellowships, and internships updates and their complete step-by-step application procedures. In part 2 of this video, I will explain complete and step-by-step procedure, application procedure. Till then, stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.